This is a silly little hack to be able to drive up your 5-star reviews. So first it starts with being in Google My Business. You have to have a Google My Business account to be able to get your reviews, to be able to manage them and get a link. So that's really critical. So you're either going to sign in or you're going to manage now, and Google will take you through the steps for signing up for Google My Business listing. It's super, super easy. So once you're in and you click through, you'll land on the home page. Well, Google does this amazing thing that they don't really like to tell everybody about. And they add this little section that says get more reviews. They give you a link that goes directly to your review page that you can hand out and get over to customers. All you got to do is copy this link, and what it does is it brings up your business listing, your information, and it asks you for a review for people to get this. Now, you don't want to just send this out to every single client. You obviously only want the people that you know are going to give you 5-star reviews, but you don't always know that. So what we suggest, and we outlined in our blog, 3 Main Street USA marketing musts, what you do is you write a simple little email that says like, how did you like your plumbing services? Click on the appropriate response below. You give them a 5-star, you guys are awesome. The client clicks on that, guess where they go? To your 5-star review. But if they click on meh, you didn't suck, so that was okay. What it does is it goes to a form that says, hey, sorry, tell us about what happened. This gives you an opportunity to contact the client before they go and leave you a bad review. The next thing that you want to do is have a thing that says, hey, you guys suck. Same idea, sends them to a form to be able to get the information. Sending out this email along with a 5-star review link can significantly increase your reviews. It really, really helps with reputation management. And then what's best of all is that really, really helps with your overall reputation management and your local SEO. So reviews absolutely help local search a ton. All right, hopefully that was fast enough for you guys and you enjoy this little marketing hack. Have fun implementing.